Hello friends, myself Deepak and I welcome to all of you to my YouTube guitar channel. Today I bring a very good song from the movie Kayamat Se Kayamat Tak and the song is titled Papa Kehte Hain. The song is based on basically 4 chords. The 4 chords are C major, then here F major, and then here A minor, and lastly the final one is G major. This chord you can all these chords position you can play in the open position also and as well as in the bar position also. The song is very popular among the youngsters since this is the song you can sing along with the solo version also, because this song is based on something farewell songs or in any type of college function you can play along with the guitar. This song is basically very close to my heart because this is the song whenever I started my guitar career. This is the song I played in my college function for the first time and I got a lot of appreciation for this song. The song is the chords pattern and the chords progression is very easy, and the chords strumming pattern is also very easy. It is very easy. First you have to put the C major chord like this, and you can also put it here in this position also, first position also, or in the open position, or you can hold the C major chord here also. That is depends upon you, whichever is comfortable for you, that you can hold. That is not one big issue. So I am holding the chord in the second position like this here. The strumming pattern is like this. Full song is based on this type of strumming pattern, and this type of strumming pattern is also very popular among all over the maximum number of Bollywood songs are based on this type of chords, strumming pattern. So you remember this strumming pattern, and many viewers are asking me how we have to, they are facing difficulty regarding the switching over the chords from one chord to one chord. For this purpose, I will suggest you one thing, my dear friends. You have to practice it a lot. There is no alternate way to, or though there is no any easy way that you can switch over the chords from one chord to another chord, or the major to minor or minor to major. This is the only thing is that you have to practice a lot, and this will be not happening in overnight. It will take some time, but be patient. You will definitely achieve your goal. So be patient and keep practicing all the chords, and this song is very popular and very nice also. You can perform in your college functions, in your farewell parties, in your freshers functions, anytime you can perform. You learn this song and practice this song. Hope this lesson will be beneficial for you for your any functions and your any college functions and any ceremonies. So, and lastly, I am again telling you, if you want to know more about the guitar chords or guitar leads, and if you have any suggestions or queries are there, then you put on my YouTube guitar boxes. The boxes provided there in the comment box in provide in the YouTube. You please comment there, and do not forget to subscribe my lesson. Thanks a lot. So let us play the song along with the backing track.
और आने वाली जिंदगी के लिए सभी ने मुझसे कुछ सोच रखा है, लेकिन मैंने अपने लिए कुछ नहीं सोचा है, तो ले रही है। और आज मुझे बार एक ही कहना है,
Thank you.